Okay, let me check. Yeah. So, Manmeet, this is condition. Okay, like in my organization, I just put the only simple condition that on this
ओके।
basis of like in this
ये जगह
condition.
लिंक है,
Sorry.
उसका आया नहीं अभी। तो पहले था साथ में, वो आया नहीं अभी तक, ज्वाइन नहीं किया।
अच्छा अच्छा, एक सेकेंड। क्या हो गया इसको? Let me check. उफ, मे बी वो चले गए हैं, कोई नहीं, हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो अब इन
ओके।
दिस प्रोजेक्ट द कंडीशन इज फॉलो नाउ आई हैव जस्ट क्लिक ओके। So you can see the new column is generated in my data. You can see ABC on service or will be edge. If you need to check this like this is correct, so you can also recheck this column also. Suppose this time I'm giving the column name as just column value as text value, and now click this value. Suppose I am clicking this will be retrenched and okay. And now you can see all the period of service year at company. You can see all the value is more than 15 to 15 year. Okay, so you can change suppose 20, 25, or maybe something else. Suppose this time I'm not changing, I'm changing and just giving you as a 15 only. So this is my data. Suppose if you want to change it, okay, suppose you have to change it after giving this condition. So click this setting option. Okay, after this setting, just change it to here that after 20-year, any employee I am going to show it will be retrenched. So when you check in the file also, click this filter and you can see year at company. Click this. Now you can see after 20 or 20 more than will be retrenched. Okay, so this way data is working fine. It means now if I click this again, select all and okay. So total of three column we have generated first: promotion status, job level, retrenchment. Okay. Now next thing I want to add it here also. Uh, Promotion status we need to find. Okay. Now again next thing is distance from home. We have a one column here. We have a one column here distance. Distance from home. Now you can see we want to know that how many employees is are from company very far, close, or very close. I want to know that how many employees is working from very close to the company. So for that reason, just click this well. And now first you can check it that there is a kilometer. First to last kilometer is 29. First to 29 kilometer. Suppose this time also I am giving a condition in this column here. Click this conditional column. Suppose I am giving uh, in this column name, I am checking here as distance status. Click this distance from home is greater than or equal to suppose 20. Then it will be very far. Okay, it will be very far. Now again, I'm giving the next condition. Add clause. Select from distance from home greater than or equal to suppose 10. Then it will be uh, close, not very close, just for close. Now next thing is other than that is very close. Now if I just click this OK, the new column will be generated in my example is distance status. Now click this, make it to text. This value will become as text value. So total of four column we have generated in this Power BI. On this basis of you can make the calculation. You can also create the measures also. Like now I am going in this home page, click this close, and after close and apply, I want to create some measures.
हेलो।
मनमीत यहाँ तक? या हेलो? हाँ
यस
बोलो।
यस।
यहाँ तक क्लियर है
नहीं
मनमीत
नहीं
आपको?
नहीं। हाँ जी, हाँ
कोई
हाँ।
कोई डाउट तो नहीं है यहाँ तक?
नहीं नहीं।
गुड।
आप
सो
इसके बस देखो, आई नीड टू चेक द रिकॉर्डिंग है।
हाँ हाँ, मैं
मेरे को
मैं ये
पता
क्लास, आज की क्लास खत्म होने के बाद आपको लास्ट क्लास और आज की रिकॉर्डिंग और विद ये फाइल सब आपको दे दूंगा, क्योंकि आज हम मोस्टली इस प्रोजेक्ट को ऑलमोस्ट मैं, ये पेज हमारा देखो हो ही गया है, ठीक है। टोटल एम्प्लॉइज मेल फीमेल, नॉट ड्यू फॉर प्रमोशन, ड्यू फॉर प्रमोशन, ये खत्म। सर्विस पीरियड ये आपको मैं बना के अभी दिखा देता हूँ, ये कैलकुलेशन अभी कैसे करनी है ये अब हम करेंगे। ये हमारा ऑलरेडी हो गया है, ठीक है।
एक क्लास और होगी अभी इसकी।
हाँ, एक क्लास इसकी और होगी लास्ट, क्योंकि ये हो चुका है। इसके बाद ये चीज रहती है हमारी, मतलब एक क्लास ऑलमोस्ट होएगी और, ठीक है।
ठीक है
मतलब
ठीक है।
मे बी कल की क्लास में कंप्लीट कर दूंगा मैं इसको। सो अब
कल
हम क्या कर,
देखो, मैं ना फ्राइडे को अवेलेबल नहीं हूँ शाम को ना।
फ्राइडे को तो सर मैं भी नहीं
अगर
होऊंगा, फ्राइडे को
इन
शायद।
केस अगर आप फ्राइडे कैंसिल करते हो तो मैं
हाँ
वैसे
हाँ।
बता दूँ।
अच्छा, कल
फ्राइडे
कल
को
क्या
मैं
है? नहीं, कल तो क्लास
कल
होगी।
थर्सडे है।
नहीं, कल कैंसिल नहीं है क्लास, कल होगी, ठीक है।
ठीक है डन।
हाँ। तो अब क्या करना है हमने, अब नाउ वी आर डूइंग सम मेजर कैलकुलेशन, लाइक यू कैन सी सर्विस ईयर इज डन। सपोज दिस टाइम आई एम गोइंग टू क्रिएट वन column chart. This is my column chart, and we have done job level. Click this job level. Okay, this is numbers. Now on the basis of total employees. Now you can see for all the things are generated. Level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is as per the last chart I have created. Now click this value, format painter, and just format onto this. Now you can see all this value as a same thing. It will just one click, and now you can see this value and this thing are same. So here we can check it, only change the title. Now click this title. Okay, here I am writing here job level. Now it's done. Now click this. Also you can make the border, visual border. Now click this format painter into this. Now you can see this value will be changed. So you can format each of the chart again and again. Suppose there is some changes you can made it to this, you can just format these changes into this same chart. So this is two chart we have done, like uh, in the page number one, this one and this one is done. Now I want to distance from home. Now pie chart. So this is my pie chart. So in this pie chart we have distance status, distance status, or you can write it to total employee. Now you can see it's done. Now change the color. Suppose if you need to change the color, just change the write it here as a color.
और शायद आपकी आवाज कट रही है।
आवाज कट रही है, आवाज नहीं आ रही? मेरे
आवाज नहीं
नेटवर्क
आ रही
इशू
सर।
होगा। अब ठीक है? Now it's clear.
हाँ आप ठीक है।
Okay. So now you can write it here as a color. Now you can see you can write it here as a color. Okay, what happened? Click this first chart. After this chart, go to here, select color, and now you can see the slices. Suppose I want to change the color of first this one, second color this, and third color suppose this one. So now on this basis you can click your chart, click here, format and format. Now you can see all the colors are changed after when I format this value. The all the colors are changed again. So now you can again change the color because we have to just formatting. And now you can see here it is showing a distance from home. This is legend. Okay, so you can just off this legend. Now it is clear picture of your distance value. Now one more thing, this is data. What we have, we don't know what is this data. So for this we have a one option here, detail label. Detail label just on, and here we have data of all detail labels. Now it is clear picture that very far is 229, percentage is 15.58, close is 301, which is approximately 20.48%. Very close we have 63.95%. Now you want to know that how many we have male or how many we have female. Okay, so click this chart. There is a one more option here. Click this. There is a one more option like tooltip. Okay, so under this tooltip you can change this value. Now you can see tooltip. Okay, just a minute. Maybe this is not for every chart. Okay, so if I click this here, because sometimes it's showing me for everyone, but not this time. Click this, there is a no tooltip option. Maybe slice, color, detail label.
Can we continue after this part tomorrow?
Yeah, just no worry, no worry. I will handle. Okay, this is the last one. Okay, so after this, you can see our most of the things are done in this project. In this first page, total employee calculation done, male done, female done, note due, service period, job level, and distance from home is done. Now only this thing is remaining, that how many calculation just for note reattachment or active worker. So for this, you can do the same calculation for this male. You can see if I am selecting here male. Okay, this is my male calculation. Now you can see calculate total employee. Now we have to filter it out. Filter it out on the basis of retracement status column and write it just a condition that whatever condition we have follow. So you can create this column maybe by tomorrow, or I will create this for you for everything, and then we can go for some next measure. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then
All right.
meet again by tomorrow. And tomorrow we
Sure.
will complete all the things and complete this project. Okay.
All right, Harsh. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you. Thank you.